In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add announcement bar in Shopify. Easy 2025. Adding a clear, eye-catching announcement bar is one of the fastest ways to highlight free shipping, a limited-time sale, or important updates across your entire store. We'll do this right inside the Shopify theme editor, no code needed, and I'll point out a few practical tips along the way so your message looks great on both desktop and mobile. First, open your Shopify admin. Then head to Online Store and choose Themes. Make sure you're working on the theme you actually want to update, especially if you keep a draft version for changes. This keeps your live store consistent while you edit. Next, click Customize or Edit Theme to open the visual editor. This is where you'll see a preview of your storefront on the right and your sections and settings on the left. If your theme offers device previews, it's helpful to toggle between desktop and mobile during setup, so you can catch spacing and readability issues early. Once the editor loads, focus on the very top of the page preview. That's typically where an announcement bar lives. If clicking the top area doesn't highlight anything, use the left sidebar to navigate. Look for the header or top of page section so the editor shows the controls linked to that area. Now, in the left sidebar, find and click Announcement Bar. In many themes, it appears as a dedicated section, or as part of the header controls. If you don't immediately see it, use the search box in the editor sidebar and type Announcement. When it appears, select it to open its settings. Inside the announcement bar, click into the text field to write a short, compelling message. Keep it concise and action-oriented, like free shipping on orders over $50, or summer sale ends Sunday. If you want shoppers to go somewhere specific, add a link to a collection, a product, or a policy page. Then adjust the style options available in your theme: background color, text color, and optionally an icon, alignment, or a visibility toggle for specific pages. Aim for strong contrast so the message is easy to read, and avoid colors that blend into your header. If your theme supports multiple messages or a rotating announcement, keep it minimal so it doesn't feel distracting. When you're happy with the message and styling, click Save at the top right. Give it a moment to apply. Finally, preview your storefront and check both desktop and mobile views to confirm the text size, spacing, and link behavior feel right. If something looks off, pop back into the editor, make a quick tweak, and save again. That's it. Your announcement